So we're in Clovis, California. Just finished installing a Badger 5 half horsepower garbage disposal, and you can see right there, not sure model number. Anyways, we replaced the flange as well. That one was corroded, water had been leaking through, and it had rusted and whatnot. So brand new flange, brand new disposal. The discharge line from the dishwasher, the gray one there, was tied in over to a T, a tailpiece Y. That had a port for it, and just a button and a T beneath it to pick up the drain from the garbage disposal. So we just took that all apart, gave you a new tailpiece. That's your basket strainer, and that's your nut. But that black piece of plastic there, that's ours. It's a brand new tailpiece, brand new telescoping kit over to the disposal, tied in, so that's nice. And then down to your existing P-trap. So that's your nut, your P-trap, and then your drain assembly back in there. It just cleans it up a little bit and makes it a little nicer. It was on a 90-degree turn back there, long extension over here at a pretty steep angle going down like this. Then it had a T for an old RO system that had been abandoned, still in place. So anyways, that's all nice and clean. As you can see up top, got your flange right there, so that's nice. And got it plugged in, ran it, everything's working good, everything's draining correctly. Outside of that, this installation is done. Oh, and as a note, so a lot going on down here. A lot of plumbing, stainless steel supplies, iron pipe nipples behind here. Got a power strip going on, and so this is a water conditioning system. We have no idea. You know, it says King and water. Never heard of them, but that doesn't really mean anything. I mean, as long as it works for you, that's great. But it said there was some water down here, so we're hoping that resolved the issue with the old disposal being replaced. If you do have any issues with water down here, then it's going to be a separate issue to look at. There's just a ton of material. We have to take apart all the plumbing. You can see the purple, green, and orange lines go up to the water. You've got some kind of a device down here on the bottom of the cabinet, and lines coming in and out. We're not familiar with this equipment. I'm not sure who is, but hopefully that resolves it. If not, it'll be quite a process to take this all apart and find out what's leaking down here. So again, outside of that, this installation is done.